रहा है मुसु
really happy. And it's happening. Few weeks ago I was like, when deciding the date, I was just pushing it away. Like today the date is so you see, I don't even remember the dates now. Just don't. Like, but today is 7th, so on 8 tomorrow, on Saturday there is shoot. So I've been thinking about, oh, I have to be doing this, but then I was like, like I can just push it a little longer because I'm not ready. I have to do this, I have to do that, and everything. And now I just feel that I wasn't ready, but I just took the leap. And I feel because of that, everything just falls in place. This is my bag, which I'm going to carry. If you guys can see it, it's right there. It's a small bag which has most of my things. And then this is where I'm having all my uh, cake things. And then this is all the pearls I got from my mother, so I have to pick up the pearls which suits well. And then here I have my guitar which I have to take tomorrow, and I have to take the ukulele as well, because how can I forget this baby? And there are sunflowers, and then it's and then, like, let me show you all. So there are some bananas for the crew and for me, and there this all things, the packing things in the bowls. And then we have here coriander, which makes sense, like yeah, it makes sense why I have that. And then I have colors and brushes and everything. And then I have ORS because I'm I love ORS. I crave ORS, and it would be so nice directing the video and having ORS. And then I have tissue papers. I have to, and cough sills, and my boots, and other things I have here in. So we have to see how. I think I would be taking this. It's just a nice way to put things, and I don't have to worry about packing it up or something, anything like that, or something like that, whatever. And I think, and this is very important. This is very important. And then we have blood as well, which I have in here, which I made with oil and food color. He is like the most important character of the music video. He's quite busy, right? Makes sense, right? Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I'm tired, and I would be having food now. Arpita would be getting the cake.
But is this not for the exist?
तो कलर नाही अर्पिता.
See?
वेगळा
Same.
कलर आहे. एक्स असतील आणि मग मी बोलणार आहे आय लव्ह एक्स. हां, आणि नंतर मी बोलले आय सेड एक्स अँड नॉट एक्स. याला हे पण नाही, कलर पण नाही करायचं. पण आम्ही त्याच्यावर नाही ठेवला, मग कशावर ठेवणार? ह्याच्यावरच ठेवू आणि नंतर दुसरा वाला यूज करू.
अगर किसी को ये बात समझी होगी तो प्लीज मुझे समझाना.
This salon is called as SRK Family Salon, and it's like SRK, so I just decided to come here. Like, there is no other option when it comes to SRK. It's just SRK. That's the only thing you choose.